Welcome, folks. So, assuming that you have created a GitHub repository, what you can do is pretty much play around with the Markdown script. So, whatever Markdown you have here, like this, for example, is the format you would use to create a table. So, like a basic table is just two staffs, and then another two staffs, and then another two staffs. This middle staff, you put a hyphen here, and that allows you to write some title. And then the rest, everything under here, under the hyphen would be content. So if you want to make another line, another row of table, you say content. This is just an example, but I'm going to commit these changes. And now we have created a very simple table. This other table is something I find useful. It's something I made for the different kind of ThinkPads. But we're going to turn this into a website in GitHub. Simply, you go to this button here, option. It says switch branches and tags, and then it says find or create a branch. What we can do here is type in gh-pages, and then this option shows up, create branch, gh-pages. So if you click on this with the mouse, it will actually generate a GitHub Pages branch. And when you do that, it automatically starts converting this markdown render or this markdown script into HTML, I believe. See, let's go to the GitHub-pages or gh-pages details. Here we go. So now we can see in real time that it's deploying this new website based off of GitHub Pages, and I believe it's done through Jekyll. I don't know a whole lot about Jekyll, other than that it's used a lot for free websites and things like that. So we can sit here for a while, and you just kind of wait for this build to complete, and then after a minute or a couple of minutes, the new website will show up. And the way you know the website's link is you go to, well, you click on this icon here, and then click on this checkbox that says use your GitHub Pages website, and then click on Save Changes. So if we go here to the right, it'll say the hyperlink to the website. And it hasn't been fully built yet, so it's going to come up with an error. If we wait for a little bit more, it'll finish writing the GitHub Pages website. Still going through the list. It's converting the markdown into some sort of HTML, because I believe HTML is the one thing that actually shows, it's the one thing that actually renders a website, if I'm correct. See, I'm not a software guy. I'm not really a software guy, so I can only tell you what to do with this practically. Very simple task. Okay, it's finished. So let's go ahead and click on the website hyperlink website URL. And here we go. We have now created a website, a free website hosted using GitHub Pages and with the help of this Jekyll thing.